My name's Kerry-Anne Craven and I work for Context Information Security, and my job role is a Business Development Manager. It's quite an interesting one. My actual background is in drama and sociology, so naturally both of those are the skills and review of people and how people conduct themselves, and essentially I really wanted to work in a commercial environment working with organisations, and it turned out that Context had a role for a sales executive, and what intrigued me the most was that what they were doing at the time was looking at how people protect their own data and how people control and have that kind of burden of looking after organisational data. So it was something for me that kind of combined my sociology and drama background relationship with people. A typical day is talking to people a lot. So essentially it's working with organisations to make sure that we are helping them and advising them in the best way to protect their data and their company data. So on a day-to-day basis I'll be talking to clients, I'll be talking to technical teams. There's a whole range of expertise, and that's why I love it. Best bits of my day is when I feel like we've really added value to the services that we've provided. So for example, if we've managed to find a vulnerability of some kind, it's not about whose fault it is or how did it come about, it's about how can we fix it and how can we help them remediate it. So for me that's the best bit. The worst bit is probably the commute. Quite honestly, it's a long way from South West London. I'm sure people would shout at the camera right now if they travel further. I hope to move forward into perhaps doing some on-site client work, so working more hands-on in workshops. That's kind of where I'd like to see my career going, and to continue to work with organisations ensuring that their projects are coordinated effectively and the deliverable is what they were looking for. I would do some research, get to know the environment that it is. It's an interesting world and for some people very unknown. It's an opportunity to make a difference, so go out and do your research, and if you feel something from that, then it's an industry that you'll get to know a lot of people very quickly. It's an incestuous world, as they say, and I think you'll benefit from it if you enjoy what you read.